Hello guys. Hello. Hope I'm live. Hello guys. Oh shit, man. I hope you guys can hear me. Everything is fine. And I think so you guys can hear me now. Now I quickly wanted to watch out this market really. So it's 9 of 34, which is 2:34 in London time, and then New York stock market has opened. So we could expect volatility on the charts right now. We have seen that. This is what I was like. I, I quickly wanted to go to more of like a big picture perspective as well on a charts, like how we are anticipating. I'm anticipating, but we are on this is 1 minute time frame chart, and after the opening 9:30, look at this aggressive downside candles from the market, and then it's somehow stopped at this point. It could continue to be going down as well. Who knows? I'm anticipating that if it has to continue to be going down from here, this is the green candle. It should not have to go above this high. Tends to go down for this low, maybe 50% of the range, and maybe these lows and these areas as well. Because this is quite aggressive toward downward side. We have seen that. I want to see continuation toward downward side from here. Let's see. Right now we're doing nothing, just watching and observing the charts. At this point, very difficult to trade. From here as well, it is difficult to go for a short because you need confirmation on a market to give you in confirmation that it really wants to go down or really wants to go up. But for me right now, like for example, if you're not bearish, for me I'm 50-50 right now. It could be going up, could be going down as well. So I'm not confirmed. I'm not one-sided. So if I would have been bearish, like my mindset would have been bearish, I may would have gone for a short at this point, but it could go anywhere from here. It could go anywhere we don't know which way it could go, but it could go anywhere from here. So we are not sure if it will be bullish or bearish. That's why we are anticipating or expecting from the market to give us more candles. So then we will try to give us more information on the candles. So after that we will have a look into the charts, like if we could have an opportunity to trade, if there could be an opportunity to trade, if there could be not opportunity to trade, if market could be bullish, it could be bearish. So everything, all of those scenarios, like we usually anticipate or expect from the market to do. So the same things, like for me right now on 1 minute time frame, I quickly wanted to more of like go to a bigger picture perspective from the market. So we will quickly go into that. Just on 1 minute time frame, I'm anticipating that these highs for bullish case scenario, these highs, this VWAP, and maybe this pink line is 1 hour time frame fair value gap, or maybe these daily highs could be the reason for the market to be bullish in the morning session. These are the levels I have highlighted, like for market could be bullish from all of those reasons. From here, it is possible because we are trading inside this 4 hour time frame fair value gap, and just on a bigger picture time frame, like we have how we hold this weekly high today, and then on daily time frame, if you watch out, we can be bullish from here because if you go to daily time frame, can be, we don't know, but just an initial anticipation I have given to myself, like this could be the reason for the market to be bullish. Like it is holding 4 hour time frame fairly gap from here. maybe upward level or 50% of the range. We could be going all the way toward upper side. Maybe this 1 hour time frame, fairly gap, daily high, all of those levels toward upper side. We can anticipate that it could be going all the way toward upper side. For bearish case scenario, I have highlighted just this low, which has been knocked. Look at this market. If you, I really wanted to keep an eye on 1 minute time frame, because it is very important to keep your focus on to 1 minute time frame chart as well, while keeping an eye. Because look at this. This seems to me, did not seems to me that market is aggressively going, wants to aggressively go down from here. And this is the 4 hour time frame fairly gap, 50% and upward level from here. And somehow look at this. I do not want, if a market has to be aggressive, I do not want even on 1 minute time frame, each individual candle should be have to create a low below the previous low, and high should be below the previous high as well. For aggressive downward side per second, we usually anticipate from the market. But look at this, it has gone toward upper side, more of like remain choppy or sideways at this range. This, it means that it could be, because it means it is not really aggressive toward downward side. This is just initial stop hunting market has done on a price action. We have knocked all of those lows, local bottoms has been knocked, and we are already trading inside this 4 hour time frame, 50% and upward level from here. And possible that we could have all of those reasons as well toward upper side. I really wanted to go for 5 minute time frame. We could be bullish from here as well. Cannot deny this, bro. This is what it is I'm thinking about right now. The way like market on 1 minute time frame holding this area, and then it could be bullish as well. It could be aggressively bullish as well. I wanted to buy this point. I wanted to buy two contract, a small trade. It's aggressive trade right now, because it's aggressive trade. I don't know. I'm anticipating that because this downside price action has knocked all of those lows. Overall, on a bigger picture time frame, we are trading at 50% of the 4 hour time frame fair value gap, and the market has come down, knocked all of those local lows, and then we have all of bunch of highs. That could be the reason for the market to be bullish. It has come down aggressively. It could be aggressively bullish as well, locking all of those highs as well. These highs and this VWAP and all of those price action toward upper side, and then it could be going to daily, all of those daily highs as well. This is the logic we bought at this point, and my stop loss. This is just a demo trade we have done. So far it is done a good job, by the way. I would say that to this entry, I have taken aggressive entry at this point on the charts. And we should not deny the fact that we have not taken, oh shit, man. Oh shit, MEXC. I have not taken a trade on my own account. I really wanted to do that, but it's fine. We can't do anything now. So this is what it is. Initially, what it this is more of like I would say that market has come down, knocked all of those local lows at this range. We was already bullish, looking for the market to go to the upper side. It has, at this point we was watching the charts. It should have to be aggressively bearish. Look at it should have to be aggressively bearish from here, aggressively bearish from this range, these 1 minute time frame fair value gaps. I was like, it should have to be aggressively bearish. Let's see if it continue, but it did not continue. It remains sideways. I was like, market is not aggressively bearish. It means it has knocked, come back down. It has knocked all of those lows. It could be aggressively bullish as well. We should have a reason as well to go to the upper side. We have this lower level of 1 hour time frame fair value gap, daily high, and those highs are the reason for the market to be bullish as well, and possible. So that's why when it was trading at this range, I was like, you can risk that. And then we took aggressive entry, which is not an ideal trade. I really avoid trade aggressive trades. I actually stopped taking aggressive entries, but sometimes it played out, sometimes it not. But most of the time it did not play it out. Aggressive trades did not play it out. That's why I really wanted to uh, lock my profit initially. I wanted to close one contract. I wanted to close partially. I have to close, man. We don't know. I'm not sure. Maybe market has to not to continue to be bullish. And my stop loss I'm keeping in there very tight. And then this is a trade like we have done most of our profit, and this is not an ideal trade for me as well because we have taken aggressive entries. I literally avoid aggressive entries or aggressive trades on the market. For now, yes, you can. Sometime you can take aggressive trades, but I usually avoid taking aggressive entries on a market. And now we're losing just 23 bucks if we got stopped out. I'm keeping. I'm anticipating that this is the February gap. Just tap into that, and then try to go to this pink line, which is 1 hour time frame February gap, and cover the continuation toward upper side. I'm anticipating could be possible. Maybe it could invert this a 1 hour time frame gap for yesterday high as well, or today's high, or yesterday high, today's high possible. But I'm not going down all the way for this high. I'm just aiming for these daily highs, 106 approximately, 106 200. We could go all the way to those levels as well, which is this area 105 900 approximately, 106 300. These are the levels I'm aiming for. After that we have further upward levels as well on charts. We have to keep in mind that this week is a non-farm employment week, and we have a news as well at 3 p.m. today. Oh my god, I forgot about that news, man. I forgot about that news. We have a news as well at 3 p.m. I may, if for example before 3 p.m. market remain at this range or maybe bullish, I may keep this trade in play because I have seen that sometimes just market went to the upper side, and after the news it remain continuation. It tends to continue its momentum in the upper side or downward side. We have seen that it played out. Maybe today it is speculation, not a trade, but it is possible that if you remain at this range, because this is more of like bullish, and then maybe after the news market continue to be bullish as well to these daily highs as well. And we have locked our profit, which is good. Very important to take lock your profit. And we are like more we are more of like break even right now. Technically speaking, forgot if we forgot about the news, we should have not have to come down to all the way to a downward side. That's why we are more of like break even right now. We have taken up our profit, and then we are. I think I should have to close more. One contact is fine. Yeah. So this is how it is. I am watching right now. Because you have news, and also we have to keep. I have to tell you that FOMC news, non-farm employment, NFE, non-farm employment change is a week. Usually market remain initially sideways. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Yeah, Thursday, Friday we usually have NFP, and then market give us. See, we have to next week we have CPI, PPI as well. Quite a bunch of news because start of the month we usually have news on a charts, and then yeah, this is how it is. Like I'm thinking, oh, look at this, it is coming back down from here toward. Or should I have to close my trade, or should I have to wait? Let's see how this candle close. If it closes bullish, my stop loss will be below this candle. Now I want to see aggressive bullish candles from here. This candle should have to be bullish to knock all of those highs. This candle, I want to see this candle should close bullish above all of these highs. This did not seems to me very good right now. So that's why I wanted to take more profit at this point, 0.8, and I'm keeping my stop loss there. Let's see. This is not an ideal trade. I would say that this trade is not at all an ideal trade because I have taken aggressive entry, aggressive trade, and then was looking for aggressive price action toward upper side. Yes, market did went toward upper side aggressively just from here, just these two candles, these two 1 minute time frame candles, and it is now it do not seems to mean that it is very aggressive because it is remaining sideways at this point, and remaining sideways means that it could be going down as well from here. So that's why like I really try to not to trade ideal aggressive, not to enter aggressive trades. And I quickly wanted to read my rules for trading as well. Now there will be no aggressive trades, which is what we have done today. And we'll look at this. We got stopped out in a profit. We got stopped out actually, but it is in a profit. That's why like I'm not confident on this red candle. I was like it should have to be bullish. It went from red candle. I'm not confident. So look at this. We have taken aggressive trade. Yes, it went down, but like how much of a big gains we have made from this just from here, 200 to $400-500 move, and then market is now coming back down. That's why I really avoid to take not to take aggressive entries. And the next rule is not to take revenge trade. There will be good risk management trade. Learn to read the market structure from top to down analysis. And missing move is a part of the game. Do not trade for money, trade to become a better trader. Never chase top and bottom. Always take profit, closest possible level, highs and lows. Always watch out the market with the perspective of learning. These are the rules I have given to myself for now. Like they will be, there's going they will be going to be changed. I will make some change on them by the time we'll learn more things and then we'll try to adjust them. But for now, these are the rules. So we are watching. I'm also anticipating from the market that we couldn't expect sideways price action from the market from Bitcoin chart. The reason is market has to maybe market has to prepare itself for this news which is on Friday and F non-formal implement change 130. Maybe market has to do this. That's why. And I will be off from the charts on Friday. Yeah, Friday we have Eid. Yeah, I'm heading out for Friday for holidays for 2 3 days, and then we'll see. This is what it is. I am watching and observing. Look at this. How would you feel like if you have taken aggressive entry at this point and you have not taken aggressive take profit at this range? You're looking for all of those daily highs, those levels, and now you are at break even, and it is likely you will get stopped out as well. How would you feel? It feel very bad. That's why for me, not taking aggressive trades. It just sometimes do play it out. Like today, it played out. We bought at this point, just went toward upper side, would take profit, which is good. But it played out. But it was how much of a like gains from just from 200 all the way to 500, $300 move. How much of a gains have you made? Like how much of a money can you made from just 200 to $500? Nothing. Yeah. These kind of trades you can do whole day, whole long. For if you just stay in front of the charts for like 4 hours, you can get these kind of trades. But these are not idle trades. Idle trades are those trades like you get 2 or 3 trades in a week. A big trades, more of like $1,000 move or maybe $1,500 move. But if you get 3 or 4 these kind of trades in a week, these are good trades. I have seen some of the scalpers do these kind of trades whole day, whole long, make money. Now I wanted to see if market has to continue to be bullish. This price section should have to break this VWAP and all the way to these highs and this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Yeah, it is possible. We could be going to all the way to the upper side from here. This is 5 minute time frame fairly gap as well, 15 minute time frame fairly gap as well. So yeah, I'm anticipating from here market should not go have to go below this low on 5 minute time frame if you watch out. Not to go the previous 5 minute time frame low, and from here go toward upper side to knock previous highs. This is 1 hour time frame, all of those highs which we have highlighted on upper side. This is what it is. I am thinking for bullish case scenario. Maybe it also has to, it is possible that market has to keep this high in play, and then from here going down as well toward low levels, maybe this low, which is also possible as well. We're just for now I'm just tape reading the market or trying to learn like how it is performing, and all eyes on each individual 1 minute time frame candle, like really. All eyes on each individual 1 minute time frame candle, and we'll see how it would go from here. I'm anticipating right now this perception from here. It should have to knock broke this VWAP this high and at least to this area. But the weight is very slow, very choppy while going toward upper side. It may not be able to break this VWAP, which is what I am thinking about right now. We're just watching and observing each individual 1 minute time frame candle, and this will be a short live stream because I have to go for my job as well, guys. At 4 o'clock, we'll finish at around about 3:30 or 3:45. Yeah. Look at this. This did not seems to me that it really wants to go to the upper side, but uh, I'm still looking for the market to go to the upper side. I'm not confident on all of those highs. If you can say these highs, I'm not confident on. It is possible from here it could create local bottom and then be bullish, or maybe it could be coming down, knocking these lows and then be bullish. Maybe it is possible that it has to keep those highs in play. It has to keep those highs in play, coming back down, show rejection from upward level of this 4 hour time frame fairly gap, and then could be going down as well for these lows, this low as well. It is also possible. We can maybe we have this low as well, which is also possible. We cannot deny this. So let's see how this candle close. If it close bullish, and I want to see continuation toward upper side from the market. My stop loss may be below this low. So right now, you can go for trade right now if you think that it really has to go toward upper side. Your stop loss could be below this low. Then we are aiming for all of those highs. This high and maybe this daily high as well. If you're risking, can I buy this point? If I would go for a buy this point, it is going to be a very small trade. My stop loss will be just below this candle. This is already did not seems to me that it is uh, really wants to go to the upper side. The reason is like why it has formed this candle should have to be bullish, but it is red. So we're closing now. This candle should have to be bullish, and then market have to be going toward upper side, but it went down toward downside from here. So from now on, there will be no trade. We got stopped out actually on this trade. Actually, we closed, but it is stopped out as well. But I'll be very careful to for on any kind of trade from now on. Yeah. Look at this. At this point, we was anticipating for the market to be bullish, but it shows a rejection from there, and then it was very slow, very choppy. Now it has come down, knocked these lows. I'm trading inside this 4 hour time frame fairly gap. From here, let's see for bearish case scenario for this low. Maybe it is still possible it could hold this area and still be bullish as well. In that case scenario, I'm anticipating this should be the low. Market should not have to go below this low. It should have to be aggressively bullish toward upper side from here. Or it is possible that could one more time go down and then be bullish as well. This is also possible. Look at this. I was just telling you I wanted to put my stop loss below this low for bullish case scenario, but it has come down again. But that's how it is. We are not sure that if market really has to be bearish as well. Could be if really has to be bullish. Like so far it is going down. If you watch out from here at this point, we was bullish, remain sideways, and then roll down, knock this low. Let's see if it has a potential to knock this low, or for the bullish case scenario, create local bottom at this range, go went toward upper side above this area. We will be looking for the market to go all the way toward upper side. Yeah, above at this area, we will be looking for the market to go up, to be buy. Right now, we could continue to be going down from here, which is also possible. I wanted to keep this low in there, yeah. Just on bigger picture time frame, if you watch out, just on bigger picture time frame, if you watch out on 4 hour time frame, maybe, yeah, maybe this is what it is. This structure more of like, we have seen that market has been going down, and then these are the lows we have on a charts. Just on big, these are the lows we have on a charts. That could be the reason from the market to continuation toward downward side. And today's high all the way to this weekly high, and this is daily fair value gap as well, very small amount of daily fair value gap at this range as well. The market has created this to massive wick at this range and come back down. I'm anticipating that this high may be the top from the market if it has to continue to go down from here to knock all of those lows to this weekly fair value gap as well. This is possible as well from the market. This is possible. We cannot deny this. We cannot deny this. This is possible. Maybe this could be the high on charts. The market may not local top, and then if, for example, it really has to go down, I would anticipate it should not go above this high, and which is possible. And the second thing is more after this high, after this high, we have this 1 hour time frame fairly gap at this range, which is a pink line. This is a low level of 1 hour time fairly gap. Market has shown rejection from VWAP. There's a VWAP at this point, and maybe it has to keep this 1 hour time frame fair value gap open. Maybe it has to keep this 1 hour time frame fair value gap open at this range, and after that top, this could be the top, and market may show rejection and come back down to show rejection from 50% of the range, and then continue to be bearish as well for all of those lows toward weekly fair value gap as well. This is also possible, but it may not happen today. The reason is market most of the time runs by news, run by news. This kind of price action we can anticipate, like it could knock all of those lows to the weekly fair value gap. I would have more confident that it could have played out if we have a today we have a news something like this, non-farming, but we have this news on Friday. So that's why, like, I'm anticipating that this big move on weekly time frame, like more of like this week, we could be going down, knocking all of those lows, but actual downside price action could play it out on Friday because of the news, and possible because it's a quite a big move, and maybe who knows, market, it is also possible that market may, this is the top, after that today is just now, which is market has created, market keep this one out of really, after that this is the high, market is going down, it means very slow, very sideways, and then at some point went up as well, and then maybe Thursday, Friday as well, market could be the thing. I look at this, it has shown rejection from this um this is inside the 4 hour time frame gap as well. At this point, when market opened, it come down, knocked those lows. We was bullish, was anticipating for the market aggressive bullish cross section toward upper side, but it come down, failed to go toward upper side, has come down again, showing rejection, and then it could be going down from here. We cannot deny this, that like this could be the second local top, and market could be aggressively going down from here as well, knocking all of those lows. We can not deny this. There is no denying about that. It is possible. We have all of those lows and this low possible. If, for example, this is the high, for example, market should not have to show any intent to go above the high. This is a 15-minute time frame fairly gap. Market could come up to this area. It should have to show rejection from this range, and then it has to go down from here. It should have to not spend much time at this range. Spending too much time at this range, maybe holding this area, we could be bullish as well for all of those highs. And I'm anticipating for bearish case scenarios, it should just have to show rejection from here, coming back down, knocking all of those lows as well. This is what it is I am thinking about right now. So I want to see rejection from this area and then continue to be going down from it. If market continue to hold this area, it could be bullish as well from here. So yeah, this week I'm going out for holidays, guys. On uh, Thursday night, Friday, yeah, Friday I will be not in front of the. Will be not doing live stream, and then Saturday, Sunday busy, and Monday maybe late night. Next week Monday maybe late night we will do live stream. Yeah, but I will do tomorrow, Wednesday and Thursday as well, and yeah, we'll see after that. Look at this. At just at this point, we was thinking about like it should show rejection, then come back down. I was thinking about this high could be the second local top. This is not the second local top for now. I think so. If not this is the second top, it is possible that could knock this high. If it this high could be knocked, it could be going down to inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap as well. The high I have not highlighted the high. This area. So inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap, this in this inside this 1 hour time frame fairly gap, we'll see if market has the potential because it is bearish, show rejection then going down. We'll be spending too much time at this range, inverting this area, then be bullish. Maybe show rejection while come back down, holding this area and then be bullish. All of those probabilities or possibilities we will see inside this 1 hour time frame fair value gap or how it goes. But I'm anticipating that uh, at this point we was anticipating for the market to show rejection then going down to one toward upper side aggressively. Usually we anticipate we was known about these highs could be knocked, but we did not trade at this point, or I was looking for the market to go to the upper side holding this area and then we look for the buy. At this point we was also thinking about it could be continue to be bullish as well. If it continue to be bullish, we will not do anything because we are completely boycotting aggressive trades on the market. And yeah, it because at this point we was also thinking about like could show rejection from this range and coming back down for these lows as well. At this point go to the upper side holding this area, then we look for the buy, but it remain continue it continue to remain bullish. All of those price action toward upper side, we have seen that from the market. And as it is going toward upper side, I'm anticipating continuation toward upper side to this daily high, upper level of this 1 hour time failure gap, or maybe this daily high as well. It will be great if market keep this failure gap open. This is what it is I am thinking about right now. And we have to end the live stream as well, guys. Must I'm just because at this point market aggressively go toward upper side. Was anticipating holding this area then go up, but it went toward upper side, knocking those highs. Remain sideways, cut fairly gap, just wicked into that. My stop loss is below this low, and we are aiming for daily high and upward level of this 1 hour time frame fairly gap. Let's see if it has a potential to do that. This is what it is I am looking for right now. We're just watching and observing the charts right now. We are not chasing the price. So this is the 1 minute time frame fairly gap. I'm anticipating keeping it open then daily high and this level I'm aiming for 106.50 and 106 105.900 from here. If I need to reach into that level, we will be ending this live stream. I have to go for my job, guys. Yeah, I have to go. I have to rush maybe. Yesterday I was late. I do not want to be late today, man. So to say, guys, I really have to end this live stream. I have to go for a job, and we just watch out this press section for like 1.5 hour. I started 2 o'clock, and then yeah, and then yeah, I have to read the this price section, read the Bitcoin chart on 1 minute time frame for 6 to 8 hours today, which is what my task for 8 hours, which is what my task for today. I have to do some live stream, which is we have done. I went to the gym, which is done. I have to edit my own YouTube channel short, to do some shopping, look for driving tests, and then all of these tasks I have to do for today. And while at my job, I'll try to do that. So this is what it is. I am thinking about, and then I have to rush for my job right now. That's how market is performing. We don't know actually which way it could go from here, upward side, downward side. Uh, we are just watching and observing the charts. This is what it is. Our job is. You have to watch, observe, sit back, relax, have a popcorn in your hand, and then look for the trades on a market. If you could find any opportunity, and it is very difficult to be patient, to not to push the buttons, not to push the buttons, and then sometimes you feel like, oh, this is 100% is going to play it out like that, but you feel like in the end you got to know that you still got stopped out on that 100% trade, but you have to be content with that. You got stopped out, sat back, relax, and then look for another opportunity on a trade. This is how it is. This market is completely rigged. We're learning. I'm learning. um, I'm trying to be consistent, trying to stay focused on charts. These are the things that really I'm trying to build on, and I really have a focus on my own account as well to make myself capable enough for the next 3 months to make enough money consistently every week, uh, below average. We make a consistent money, actual real money from consistently from trading and every weekly basis. This is what it is. My goal is, and the also second goal is to make this paper trading account, demo account, to make it to the double, 2x this account, and let's see how much time it would take. Then it requires a lot of time, energy, effort, attention, all that, and I'm willing to give my everything into that. So this is how it is, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, we'll be tomorrow doing the live stream in the morning session, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye.